Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos legally. We're going to see how you can download your own video and also how you can download another person's video. And we're going to follow the legal way of doing that because YouTube will not permit you to download anybody's video for any reason. And so I will guide you through the step-by-step process on how to do it in the legal way that is permitted by YouTube. So let's get started. First, we are going to see how we can download our own video. Let's say you've uploaded a video on YouTube. We're going to see how you can actually download that particular video of yours. First, launch over to youtube.com. Once you are logged into youtube.com, on this right side, you can just click to locate YouTube Studio. You can just click on that YouTube Studio, and once you click on YouTube Studio, you click on content by the left side. You can just click on this content. This will display all the videos that you've uploaded on YouTube so far. Now, locate that particular video that you wish to download. Let's say, for instance, that this is a particular one you wish to download. You can just click on these three dots. Once you click on that three dots, you can see download. This will enable you to download your own personal video. You can see this is already downloading right now. And that's the way you can download your own video to your laptop or your PC or even to your phone gallery. Now, let's see how you can download another person's video. If you have a video like this, you can see this very one, and you wish to download it for any reason. Once you open that particular video, you can see on the down part of that video, you will see download. You go ahead and click on that download. This will present this download quality for you to choose the particular one you need. If you need a video of high quality, you can do well to get subscribed to the premium YouTube, and that will allow you to download videos of these qualities. But if you are not subscribed and you wish to download that particular video, you can download these qualities, standard and lower quality. So you can just select standard and then you click on download. Now this video will get downloaded, but it will be on the YouTube app for you. So anytime you log into your YouTube or you open your YouTube, you'll be able to play that video and watch it. And you will do that without being connected to an internet or to any network connection. And so these are the ways you can download any YouTube video you wish to download. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to this channel for more videos on this particular channel. See you in my next video. Bye.